Hello, this is Mariam from Crochet Chill and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful cat applique. I use white yarn, black and pink to make the nose, eyes and mustache. 3mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. Let's get started! To get started, first we need to create a magic ring. And then make 12 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet is 3 chains, or you can make a single crochet plus 2 chains. For this pattern, I make 3 chains at the beginning of the row as our first double crochet. This is my first double crochet. And make 11 more double crochets inside the ring. When you complete your 12 double crochets, pull this short tail to close off the ring. And then make a slip stitch in the third chain of those 3 chains that we made as in the beginning of the row as our first double crochet. Row 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and it counts as our first double crochet. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. Then make 2 double crochets into every stitch all across the row. At the end of the row you should have 24 stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the third chain of those 3 chains that we made at the beginning of the row and go to the next row. Row 3, chain 3, and it counts as our first double crochet. And make another double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet in next stitch. 2 double crochets in next. Here's the first one and the second one. 1 double crochet in next. And continue this process to the end. 2 in next, 1 in next, 2 in next, 1 in next. You should have 36 stitches at the end. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the third chain of those 3 chains that we made at the beginning of the row. Row 4, chain 1 and make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. 1 and 2. Make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Two double crochets into the same stitch. Here's the first one and the second one. Make a treble crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2, 1 and 2. And then take these 2 strands as you can see and make a slip stitch right here. Make a treble crochet into the next stitch. Two double crochets into the same stitch. And a half double crochet into the same stitch. Make a single crochet into the next stitch. Like this, and this is how we create our first ear. And then make a single crochet into every stitch until you have 6 stitches left. 1, 2, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this is the last stitch that we should make. I made all my single crochets and now I have 6 stitches left. I left my last 6 stitches, don't count this slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, a treble crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch into these 2 strands that you can see right here. Into the next stitch, make a treble crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and a half double crochet into the same stitch. One single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Here's the first one and the second one. And 2 single crochets into each of the next 2 stitches. Actually, the last 2 stitches. Now cut the yarn. Last name is Anna Hanus. Pull it out and thread your needle. This is the stitch, the first stitch that we should make a slip stitch in. Insert your needle from the back side of this stitch, both loops, pull it out and into the back loop of the last single crochet that we made, like this. This way we create a stitch that doesn't look different from the other stitches, and make a small knot at the back of your project to make it secure, and then hide the tail at the back of your project back and forth. And also hide this short tail that we had at the beginning of the row, back and forth. This is how it looks like so far, and now let's make the nose, the eyes and the mustache. To create the nose, consider an imaginary line like this and start sewing. And hide the other tail as well. Now let's make the mustache and the eyes. This is how it looks like at the end. You can take your desired cloth and sew it to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and write your comments down below. See you next tutorials. Bye!